Hi guys, it's me, Mitch02. We got our hands on the Redmi 6 Pro. Okay, so this is the third variation from the Redmi 6 and the Redmi 6A. So we have here is the 4GB variant with the 64GB of storage. Okay, so it's now sporting a Snapdragon 625 compared to the MediaTek on the other variants. Okay, so here it is, Redmi 6 Pro. Screen size 5.84, which is pretty much an odd number. Okay, so here's the dual camera at the back. You know, for me it really looks too much similar to the Redmi 4X. At the bottom we have the micro USB charger and the loudspeaker. Here we got the dual SIM slot. Okay, and on top 3.5mm audio jack, and at the right side we have the power button and the volume rocker. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, so it's the first Redmi series with a notch, and I repeat, it's a notch. Okay, so the screen is pretty good looking, FHD plus IPS LCD. Okay, as expected, 625 is a good processor to have, but overly used by Xiaomi. Okay, you got 4GB 64GB variant. Okay, let's check the CIT mode. Okay, here we go. Okay, looking at the camera, it's a Sony. Okay, MX486. On front we have a OmniVision OV camera lens. Okay, let's going back. Okay, let's try to peel this thing off, but it's a bit hard to peel without the okay, never mind that. Okay, trying to remove the film on front, but it's a bit hard to take it off. Let's check the gallery and see what we have here. Photos taken are pretty much good looking. Low light is good. Okay, here's the Geekbench score, 878. Okay, let's go back. Okay, this is a pretty good score, which is 15 hours for our SOT test by the PC Mark, due to its 4,000 mAh battery. So 77,000 points is not really that good for a Pro series, but it's pretty much getting the job done. And of course, let's check the manual mode for camera on the WB and ISO, which is, yeah, pretty much like we say, it's a Redmi series, so nothing much to play with the manual mode. Okay, this is it for me. I'm Mitch02, signing off.